Hi guys, so we are tonight in Kirk in Croatia. It's an island on the north of Croatia. We are anchored now, we are actually on the port here in Baska. And tonight I will teach you guys how to make something very easy, very simple that you wouldn't believe. You can make pretty much this anywhere you are. You don't need an oven, you don't need, just need a frying pan and 2 ingredients. So we're gonna make a bread with 2 ingredients. So what ingredients we're gonna need is, we're gonna need 1 cup of Greek yogurt and 1 cup of self-raising flour, just that, okay? Of course you can double the recipe. It's pretty much 1 and 1 of both. So 1 yogurt and 1 flour. So the flour needs to be the self-raising flour. So 1 cup and another cup here. And this bread is very good to do when you don't have a bakery nearby you, or when you just want to make some fresh bread and you don't want to make a big mess. So 1 and 1. Then we don't need to knead this bread as well. You can just do using a wooden spoon and mix. It's good to be the Greek yogurt, okay? Because the other yogurt is not as good. It doesn't come as good as the Greek one. Okay, so then you mix with the spoon. Stir it. And then we have this texture here. It's kinda sticky, but that's normal. It needs to be like that, okay? Then what you're gonna do? On the table, you will put a little bit of the flour, okay? A little bit of the flour like that, and then you're gonna throw your dough on the flour. Throw the dough here. Let's use everything. You don't need to knead because it's sticky, but you're going to be rolling the dough on the flour, you see? Kind of make your hands a little bit more floury as well. Just rolling on the flour. Then you make it's sticky now, so put some flour around it. Then you're going to divide the dough in 4, okay? So here and here and here, 4. Put some more flour on your hands, and then you're gonna be making really gentle, very gentle with the balls. Don't press too much, don't press the balls too hard, just like that, you see? So if you press, what will happen? It will be more sticky. So just kind of move around the flour and make it like the buns kind of bread, you know, see it? So then you get a plate, you put a little bit more flour on the plate, handle your little breads very carefully because they can get sticky, and put on your plate. And from the plate we're gonna be cooking it, okay? So, okay, needs to be low heat, and we're gonna cook for about 10-15 minutes each side with the lid closed. Don't need to put oil, don't need to put anything there, just the breads. And then we close the lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes like that, 10-15 minutes. If the pan starts to get a little bit wet like that, it's not good because your bread is gonna get kind of soggy. So you take very quick and you clean up and you put it back, okay? Okay, now it passed about 10 minutes. So let's twist to check it out how it is here. Yes, that's perfect. And we're gonna cook from the other side another about 10 minutes. Okay, let's close the lid and let's wait another 10 minutes. Ready. Let's check them out to see how they look like. So they need to look like brown on both sides. How you know when it's ready? You get a tap and you need to be hollow, okay? To be confirmed as well, let's twist. See, it needs to be kind of this color. What we do now? Now we're going to turn the fire off and we're going to leave this here exactly like this for about 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes so that kind of dries up. So let's turn off. See, turn off and leave here for 5 minutes. So the bread is ready. Check here the texture. It should be kind of crusty and inside is very soft here, okay? Now we're gonna be making here a little sandwich so we can have a little dinner. But you can make this with butter, you can eat for breakfast, you can eat for any time, so that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe here of the bread with just the 2 ingredients. If you enjoy it, put a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys soon. Ciao, ciao.